All right, so let's move to the next step. So once we have done model training, the next step is model hypermeter tuning. So hypermeter tuning is a critical steps to improve the model performance by optimizing the settings that control how an algorithm learns and react. So unlike the parameters that are learned from the data, so like weight, linear regression, correlations, hypermeters are set before training and after training, and hypermeters can drastically affect the accuracy, speed, overfitting and underfitting of your model. So if we see, for example, adjusting the maximum depth would control how complex the tree becomes. So if our controls are too shallow, the tree might become underfit, and if our controls are too deep, then our tree model may overfit. Okay, so maximum depth control are one of the hypertuning parameter for decision tree models. It is the essential to avoid the impact of blindly applied default settings of any algorithm or model. So if you are not hyper tuning your model, these default settings may prevent your model to perform at the best level.